You follow our strategy, it was still ass.
Yeah. All right. So,
It was just
anyways, you
ass.
guys are getting in here. So broker rules, revenge traded, gambled again, blew the account. I blew my account. He blew his account. He blew his account first. He got and this is his new account after the trade. I'm not even buying another one. Um, what it's February 6th, dude, and it's like we write the rules down. We did everything we're supposed to do, right? Today started off as just a bad strategy. If you know, we haven't explained our strategy yet, but market they just marked wrong. It was marked wrong. We marked the right candle. Just were not enough volume on that candle. Traded off of that, and just like completely just got wicked out. I got wicked out by like point 0.4. He got completely. He was done. Um, and then we hopped into in Q. I'm in a trade. Oh, let me just show y'all, bro. Um, it's just frustrating, man. Sound like I'm about to cry. I'm not crying, bitch. Get off my dick. Uh, MNQ. This is my trade, right? This is the first original trade. Bad entry, right? Second trade. This is where we would have entered off of our strategy, right? Boom, it would have hit TP anyways, right? Cool. Now what happened is I look. This is where my target was, right? No, realistically, no. My target was like around this area right here, right? It would have hit TP, but I had break even, right? And my stop loss was down here. I moved it up right here, right? And then I seen it coming down. I'm like, oh, that might just be the move. Let me at
Bang.
least bring it here. You smacked?
Back that shit.
Let me see. Yeah, good shit.
369.
Good stuff.
Start.
Good stuff.
My streak continues, chat. I always hit my first shit on my account and then never hit another one again.
Right, back to what I was saying. And then I moved it to break even while it was dumping. And I'm like, oh, let me at least cash profits. I only call it a freaking dollar, y'all. Literally a dollar, bro. If I held it here at this zone, break even, I moved my break even here and it's not coming back down. But I didn't listen. I didn't listen, bro. And now look, I mean, it was for like what 170. Even then, like, it's just about the systems. It's about the systems. I'm just the money factors in my brain. Now I revenge trade, try to gamble. I was up 200 more. Got in, blew that shit, bro. Because I'm trying to and we know not to do it, and we know it's not gonna fucking work. He did it. He knows. Blew that shit. I did it right after him. Blew that shit. And now we're going to New York. We're getting off the charts. This is the last trade of the week. We're off the charts, bro. Off the charts. All next week. Oh, we're in New York. Just detox. Just reset, bro. Just a reset, bro. Because it gets to a point, man. And my thing is like, it's not even about spending another money on an eval, bro. It's really the fact that like I feel like I'm a week behind making money, if that makes sense. And he's just saying like Junior's saying it's not even like that, in a sense that 1 month of good trading would literally erase 3 months of bad trades. You know what I'm saying?
Of just up and down trading, bro.
Realistically, I could get like even like a 1K payout. I'm still positive on how much I spent on evals. You know what I'm saying? Like this is gonna be my third eval. Um, this is what that was. This your fifth one, Jew.
Well, my fifth chat. Let's go. Let's get lit.
And you just have to, just record. Like, dude, rules are there for a reason. You can't cheat them, bro. Like, you can't cheat them. Even two trades, I'm like, bro, let me get off, bro. Restart. And then look, up 200. Get off. No, you said what?
In 3 weeks, chat, I've given Lucid $420. Oh my god, that's a paycheck of a nice paycheck worth of money, guys. 420 lost.
Bro, and it's so bad because it's not even the strat, bro. Junior, it's not even the strat, bro.
Just bang
it's psychology over everything. Bro, it really is 10% strat, 90% psychology. Junior, that entrance was off the strat. What was that, bullshitting?
What?
That entrance, that trade right there you took.
Yeah, this is off the strat, yeah.
Was it off the strat?
Yeah, I mean, literally after 3 minutes, broke out, retrace. Yeah. I was late, so I was like, let me wait for the retrace, and I came in off of here,
yeah. Yeah. Same shit. That long trade I had. You wasn't even telling me. I literally, niggas had BE. and you move BE early. Dude, you know how the markets work. So just listen.
Could be homeless, bro.
Yo, you have anything to say, bro?
Chat. At the end of the day, bro, no matter how many videos you watch, how many times you're on the markets in practice, how many times you back test, at the end of the day, you're gonna start off day trading sucking. You're just gonna suck at the end of the day. You're just gonna fucking suck. So until you learn how to not suck, you're not going to be profitable. You're not going to see winning weeks consistently, winning days at all. So if you have a strategy, simple. Just fucking stick to it. If you fucking write little notes on the charts, just listen to the little notes. If you don't come in market with a bias, but if you see a bias that looks prominent, it's a bias maybe, you know what I'm saying?
Or just wait till it's clear. You know what I'm
wait
saying? Because sometimes you just wait till it's clear. Tell me not. We came in here, thinking sells. It sells, and then our first trade off MGC, right? Yeah. Bad candle. We said sells. We entered not even off a flat, just by looking at it. Yeah. But if we patiently waited, it would play out, right? Even with, and then go back to NQ. Go back to MNQ. That trade that our first original trade off MNQ, right? What the hell? What we entered? Was that? Yeah, right. No, yeah, below. Yeah, right there. That's right there. That was. Hold on, I have it properly.
You just buy. Oh, you didn't buy what you had.
I always keep my shit at. Okay, we got sells right at that zone. Yeah, Junior, right at that zone. We entered right at that zone, right? Was it? And it wasn't even a flat bottom. It had previously just wicked out. This wick shows us sellers are coming in. Sellers are coming in. Yeah, it was flat, but there was a fat wick. Normally when we enter off a flat like this, right? You see how there's barely any wick and it goes up right after there's like space between here? This was flat, yes, but there's still wicks here. It's not even, like, you know what I'm saying? So if we waited for it to actually close above this, knowing it wicked out, wait for the candle to close above. I mean, even this right here. Even if you waited to close above, you want to get it right here, you could have still got in, and you still would have smacked, on a one-to-one, smacked TP. And it's going to fucking shoot up. BE. Why would you move it to BE just because it's dumping? Have it here. I had it here the whole time. If I just waited, now I could move it to BE because I know it's not dropping down here, 5. Wait. You just wait. You wait. You can't sit here and tell me every strategy works. You look at the markets, all does the same thing. It plays off of levels, 5. And you know 2 trades get off. And you stay. Because you don't want to put down the charts. And then this happens. What a terrible week, 5. Where's my TradeZella?
Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the day, bro, just don't be asked what you do. Because if you're asked what you do and you see green, you see positivity, it's eventually going to all come crashing down because you're asked. Everybody can get lucky. Everybody can get blessed. Blessings. Everybody can see green and positivity. Even if you follow your strat, that's not like fake news. But you scalp and you get like 300, 500. You try to grasp off a market structure, you hit TP.
It's gambling.
My gosh, you're so happy. You're on the top of the world. And then you see it all come crashing down because you realize, hold on, wait, low key, we sucked the whole time. Unless we follow a strategy.
And we back test. And we know this. We have a 72% win rate on our strategy. 72. That is good.
Those numbers that, like, when you write down all these principles and keep all these principles.
Take 10 trades, lose 7, win 7, lose 3. That's our strat, 5.
Everything you hear us saying right
mind
now.
Mind you. Bro, literally. And if for more, and the more we learn discernment, right? Patience, reading the charts, right? That's 100%. Is it not true?
Truthfully, like, I don't see how we could ever lose unless it's like a bad news day or something. You know what I'm saying?
Right. I mean, obviously the markets will do BS. The markets will do BS.
Yeah, the market will still always like just do some stupid shit.
But you can still play off of that. Yesterday, I took 3 trades. 200, 400, and then another 300, right? Yes. First trade, 200. We got out, smack TP, like, what, 30 seconds later?
Yeah.
Like 45 seconds later, smack TP, what up, 200. But we took it at a loss, right? I took it at a loss. Second trade, I was in, what's it called? Was I in class? Yes, I was in class. I signaled you, right? It was a $400 trade, right? Got out like 300. Kid, I'm like, oh my gosh, whatever, right? Hit TP. Third trade. This is Asia session. I held it. I got out, but I only got out at $95 difference because I thought it peaked and it hit TP, right? Yeah, $95, but that's still something. I would have been up 1K right now if I just let every single trade play out. We are on a one-to-one basis. We know to not leave the trade. And then it be trades that are actually gonna completely lose, and I still stay just because I'm praying for a retracement. It's 10 ticks down, gang. You're done. But I'm 20 ticks down. Oh, get out. I even on my third time, though I got profit, I still didn't learn. I still got out. Let it play out. This trade, NQ, I just showed you. Let it play out. I marked the key level, BE. Knowing how NQ moves, I can't do that. Can't do that on MQ. Even MQ, we bad strat. We marked the horrible candle. Knew it was strat. If we marked, and then we went back, did another candle, and then that was a proper candle. We'd be sitting here waiting still. We'd probably be on FIFA, waiting. Enter off that flap, maybe be hesitant, right? But fuck that. Because MQ showed me, MGC showed me, if it's flat, fuck nigga, with no wick really fucking it up, nigga, take the fucking trade. Yo, Five. Say your piece, Five.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to thank you guys from...
When will it end? That's the title of this fucking video.
I want to thank you guys for,
this peace.
Man.
Devour your face in this, Five.
Man, I want to thank y'all for listening to DS rants.
That's all I'm doing.
DS Dolph Hitler.
Yo, we on FIFA when I get to work, bro.
I'm going to sleep.
No, I'm working like 4 or you have work. Yeah.
I just want to say to everybody, shalom. Just if you know your ass is something, man, just accept it and know it, and refresh, come back, and rewind it, because you can only be asked for so long. You know what I'm saying? As long as you keep working hard, and that's what we're gonna keep doing. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna have a refresh week next week, where it's gonna be peace of mind, no training for a whole week. Go to New York for Fashion Week.
Off the Marcus, I'm skipping every training video.
Come back next week, the week after that, following week, on a refreshed, new accounts, and just go at it again. And if that don't work, we do another week. Maybe
and I'm back testing. I'm back testing the previous week, Sunday. The week that we missed, I'm gonna back test that Sunday.
Yeah.
While we're in New York. Yeah, while we're in New York.
Nah, not gonna do that. I'll do it Monday when we come back.
Monday, right? When we come back.
Don't want to do no trade. Don't even want to see a chart in New York.
Okay.
Don't even want to sniff a chart in New York. If anybody say anything about a trade, I might throw a big nigga cheese at him the Alki way. Yeah, that's all we have to say. Bo and Bap and Bo, whatever you want to say. The most unprofitable traders on the planet right now. On our combined 8th funded in the 3 weeks, we're approaching records. That's the only thing we can say. We're approaching records the wrong way. We're definitely bearish records right now, but records nonetheless. So I want to thank you guys for another video. See you guys in the next one. Hopefully by the next one, we're looking a little bit more profitable. Doubt it, but see you on the next one.
No, we're going to be profitable. I'm placing trades and closing my laptop. Peace and love, yo.
Peace, my love.